We had a very good time at Clean India show. As I was saying, this is our third year and we had a lot of customers here. It has been a very good experience so far.
It's been an overwhelming experience. We've had a very interesting mix of customers from across the country, especially from down south. The mix has been pretty interesting.
Clean India show is a great platform showcasing our latest innovation in mechanized cleaning technology, where we can network with a varied kind of clientele and all customers under one roof. The experience has been great overall.
Laundrex, I would say, is definitely a great show with a lot of people just dedicated to the laundry business.